What is a percent? Let's break it down first. Per is for every. Cent is 100. For every 100. Percent is a rate for every 100 or per 100, which means it is a rate where the denominator is 100. Let's look at an example how to write a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. Nick has a pack of 100 pencils. He sharpened 75. This means that he sharpened 75 out of 100 pencils. We would color in 75 out of 100. The fraction is then written as 75 over 100. 75 is your part, 100 is the whole. So the decimal is written as 0.75. The 7 is in the tenths, the 5 is the hundredths. 75 out of 100. So the percent is written as 75%. $75 is the percent and the denominator of 100. All three of these are the exact same thing, parts of a whole. They're just speaking a different language. 75 hundredths, 75 hundredths, 75%, but they all equal the exact same thing.